Today I'll be showing you how to install and remove your DK-93 professional tabletop all dies. Alright, so when you first order the all dies, you're going to see that it arrives in two parts. This right here with the rubber stopper, this is going to be the top part, which is protecting the sharp blade. And then this is the bottom part. As you see, there's a thinner side and a thicker side. The thicker side is what will be installed into the base adapter. Alright, so right now it doesn't look like much, but this right here is the all die. Ensure that you do not remove this rubber stopper. This is for your protection. Alright, so this is what the all die looks like. Again, when it arrives, it has the rubber stopper on it, and you want to keep that rubber stopper on there. Alright, so when utilizing your DK-93 press, ensure that you first install the adapter base. As you see, the bottom part will just fall right through if you do not install your adapter base. That's that thick part right here. So just go ahead and take your adapter base, drop it right in there. Remember, we talked about the bottom part. It has a thin side and a thicker side. The thin side is what your awl is going to be pushed into, okay? So go ahead and take that thicker side, just drop it right on in there. Top part, the top part has some threads. All you're going to do, go ahead and screw that into the top of the press. Today we're going to be using a piece of marine vinyl. All you have to do, place it on top of the hole and push down. As you can see here, the material has been pierced on both sides. Again, this part right here, the bottom of the die, the top of the die, wherever you're wishing to make a piercing in your material, just place it on there, push down, and then you'll see here that the material has been pierced. Alright, so to remove your all die set, all you have to do, twist it off. And pull up the bottom part. That's how you install and remove the all dies.